So today we would like to apply some lime, dolomitic lime in our garden. After testing our soil, we have discovered that our soil misses some quantity of magnesium. The quantity or the level of magnesium we have in the three zones is 0.5. Here we have 0.51. Here we have 0.55. Here we have 0.61. So basically, all our zones have a low level of magnesium, which is less than 1.0. So then, after testing our soil, we were advised to apply some dolomitic lime in our garden. So basically, the dolomitic lime, it's just like a lime fertilizer, which gonna help us to increase the level of magnesium. But apart from that, it will help us also to neutralize the level of pH, because in that zone, the pH is 5.7. In this zone, the pH is 6.1, and in that zone, the pH is 5. So basically, as I said, after testing our soil, we have discovered that we have also a good range of pH, but still more we need to neutralize that. In that zone we have 5.5, in this zone we have 6.1, and here we have 5.9. So basically our soil is in the right range, in the neutral range, which is 6.0 up to 7.0. So basically our soil has a good range of, it has a neutral pH. But still more, where we have 5.5 and 5.9, once we apply the lime, it's gonna a little bit neutralize. We're gonna have a neutral pH, which will be in the range of 6.0 up to 7.0. So basically, those were the reason why we're gonna apply lime in our garden. And as you can see, it's just a demonstration garden where people learn how to do agriculture using drip irrigation. Yeah, so this is our lime. It's a dolomitic lime. So basically, we have two types of limes. We have the dolomitic lime and we have the calcic lime. So the dolomitic lime is most of the time it has a good range of magnesium rather than the calcitic lime, which has a high range of calcium. So if a farm misses some calcium, so basically, or if we want to neutralize the land, we use the calcium lime or agricultural lime. So in our side, we are using the dolomitic lime because in this lime we have the quantity of magnesium is 23%, which is right, which is a good range, and which gonna help our land to get the right quantity of magnesium we want. So basically, when applying lime, we apply 1 ton of lime into 1 hectare. So that is how we apply. It means we apply in 1 hectare, we have to apply 1 ton of magnesium. Or if you want to speak like in a small garden, we apply 2 tablespoons in a gallon of soil. So that is how we apply. But as we are having a small plot, which is 70 meter by 70 meter, so in the 50 kgs, we have here 50 kgs of lime, and we want to apply the whole of it. We're gonna apply around 35 kilograms, as our land is a little bit smaller. So we can apply lime after we till the soil, and we can also apply lime after tilling the soil. So in our case, we first of all till the soil to make it a little bit thin, so that when we will be applying lime, we're gonna again till again, so that the lime gonna get mixed very well with our soil. So now let us open our bag and try to do that. We'll get the lime to a wheelbarrow. Then we're gonna just gonna put a quantity of that in here. Gonna put a quantity of here so that we will be able to spread it very well. Jen. Then we will start over here. So basically there are two ways to apply lime. The first one is getting it this way, and yeah, we are just broadcasting it. So there is another way. We do that by just shifting it in the top, then it's gonna break top. So basically, it is not even when we apply it that way, but the best way is to apply it this way. So we have to make sure it's evenly spread into the garden, and one